right, let's check out the latest on the meme coin.
Trump just launched a meme coin. Welcome back to the Void. This is not how I wanted to start my 2025. Let me tell you that right now. Here's the tweet. My new Donald Trump official meme is here. It's time to celebrate everything we stand for. Winning. Join my very special Trump community. Get your Trump now. Go to gettrumpmemes.com. When you go there, you join the Trump meme, which is buying something and hoping it goes up in value. Currently, that stands at a $13 billion market cap because nothing matters, which, you know, is great. I think that's cool. I think that's awesome. In addition, $12 million has been made in fees already just on the trading volume, which is over $1 billion so far. And I think that's even better. I'm joking. I don't even know. I'm speechless, actually. I don't know what to say. It's historic in its stupidity. It's historic in its grift. The level of scam here to use the days before your presidency, your inauguration, to use that as a hype project for the meme. Like, did this guy want to do the presidency the second time? Or was this the meme coin hype plan? We're 2 days away. Okay, understand. I hope to everything that I will wake up and find I've been deepfaked. Let me just say that for the record. I know some of you who watch this maybe aren't crypto people. This distribution is like insane. The crypto people are going to get behind this because they're sycophants who want to suck up so that the government is going to help them because they've been like kicked by the government for a while. So they're just going to suck up to power because they need regulators to be on their side. So you'll see a lot of crypto people be like, oh, 80%, that's fine. That's not normal. It's not. Maybe for like a layer one token where there's going to be like a ton of development work, then monetizing the back end supports development work for years to come. This is a meme coin. There's no development work to be done after this. It's done. They're just rent seeking 80% of the value of this thing. And it's a zero-sum game. So think about it. It's a zero-sum game. Where the last person holding the dollar loses. And they're taking 80% of the value. Need I say more? For no reason. For no reason. There's not a justification like, hey guys, we're going to like develop it for years. No. They're not even pretending to have a development plan in place. At least with World Liberty Financial, they were pretending. They had they were like, oh, we're going to develop this for years to come. Just kidding. Let's launch on Solana. All right. Well, look, I'll probably follow up about this later.
Sure.
I'm tired for a lot of reasons, but
thanks, Voidzilla.
What a start to the year. I don't know, man. Can we just reset this?
We're all in.
Insane. My final question, which I just don't have answered, is just who these groups are, the creators and CIC Digital. If I had to guess, the guys who are going to unlock first, which means after 3 months, are going to be the Trump, like the closest inner circle, and then everyone will unlock after that. You can expect that the price of Trump coin is going to catastrophically fall once that unlock starts to happen. All right, that's basically it. I don't know how to end this. It's going to be a long year.
That was fun. Thank you. Let's check in with Forbes.
A big cut in the capital gains tax will make Trump's upcoming tax bill very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Hello, I'm Steve Forbes, and this is What's Ahead, where you get the insights you need to better navigate these turbulent times.
Thanks, buddy.
The capital gains tax is destructive. By lowering the rewards of successful risk-taking, which is essential to innovation and a higher standard of living, it needlessly hobbles progress. And it hurts people's retirement income. Equity prices would be higher with a lower rate, and even better without the tax altogether. This is why President Trump and his tax writing team should include a sizable reduction in the capital gains levy in the bill they're cobbling together with various members of Congress. Such a cut would not only help the economy, it would also instantly raise more revenue for Uncle Sam. That should appeal to so-called deficit hawks. Of course, critical to getting out of our fiscal mess is sizable economic growth, and a lower capital gains tax would be very helpful. Today, that tax is too high. On the federal level, it's 20% plus an additional 3.8% Medicare surtax, for a total of almost 24%. Then there are additional state taxes. Knocking the rate on the federal level would set a positive example for these states to do the same. Republican tax writers should emblazon in their minds and ceaselessly remind their colleagues that cutting the capital gains tax immediately means more revenue. Not a year or two down the road, but right away, instantly. It's bipartisan as well. When this exaction was reduced in 1997 under Democrat Bill Clinton, tax receipts went up nicely in 1998. The same thing happened under Republican George W. Bush when this tax was cut in 2003. More revenue in 2004. The case for a low cap gains tax, or eliminating it, is overwhelming. It harms capital formation by reducing after-tax returns. Along the same lines, it is double taxation, since profits have already been taxed at the corporate level and are taxed again when distributed. Capital is the essential fuel for progress. The effective rate is higher than the nominal one because gains are not indexed for inflation. All too often, investors with stocks held for a long time end up paying a tax on fake gains. The Trump tax team should embrace this essential reform. I'm Steve Forbes. Thanks for listening.
Mr. Forbes.
Do send in your comments and suggestions. I look forward to being with you soon again.
High level for me.
TikTok is especially hard to value. There's not only the question of the prized algorithm, but also the fact that it's currently a division of a private company based in China. And to complicate things even more, TikTok is technically a subsidiary of shell companies registered in the financially opaque Cayman Islands, which makes it nearly impossible for outsiders to know exactly how much revenue, let alone profit, TikTok makes in the US. A forced sale during a temporary ban would likely influence what someone might pay for TikTok as well. Counsel for TikTok and ByteDance wrote in court documents that a one-month shutdown could result in a 29% drop in TikTok's global ad revenue for the year. There are also potential costs associated with a sale. D.A. Davidson analyst Gil Luria says, quote, TikTok would need to create a lot of new infrastructure that it would lose from its parent company in a potential spin-off. Keeping those complications in mind, here are 4 potential ways to value TikTok. Number 1, Frank McCourt's $20 billion offer. An investor group led by Frank McCourt, the real estate billionaire who used to own the LA Dodgers, and his nonprofit Project Liberty, thinks that it will be able to buy TikTok in the US without its algorithm for $20 billion. Number 2, markets multiple magic. A common way to value a consumer tech company like TikTok is as a multiple of revenue. TikTok generates revenue from advertising, live streaming videos, and e-commerce. Number 3, the $300 billion golden algorithm. ByteDance's machine learning-powered algorithm is uniquely good at capturing user behavior and captivating users by recommending personalized content, such as which new videos to watch. Number 4, just the bare bones. Benchmark's Zagutowicz actually thinks TikTok's US revenues are lower than what the Financial Times reported, closer to $13 billion, and guesses it is worth around $55 billion without the algorithm. Wedbush's Ives also thinks it's worth just $40 billion to $50 billion without the algorithm.
So there we go for this week. Lots of exciting updates with TikTok, of course. Trump, Mr. Trump, President Trump, all the Trump stuff coming up. Thank you again for checking in here. As you can see, I'm just getting started, so your time is very much appreciated. A quick side note, I've spent most of my life in Los Angeles, WeHo, Hollywood area, and my heart goes out to everyone back home over there. Take care of yourself and each other. Shout out to 818-323-3310.